Welcome to the language world. Today we're learning daily routines. Then, let's get started. To have lunch.
Obědvat.
To rest.
Odpočívat.
To exercise.
Cvičit.
To cook.
Vařit.
To have dinner.
Večeřet.
To watch TV.
Dívat se na televizi.
To read a book.
Číst knihu.
To go shopping.
Jít nakupovat.
To go home.
Jít domů.
To go to bed.
Jít spát.
Quiz time.
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next videos.